Yeti 1000X. Built to run your essential devices and appliances, this power station is our most versatile. Big enough to power medium to large appliances and portable enough to pack in the car and go with you anywhere. With a 1,000 watt-hour lithium-ion battery at its core, the Goal Zero Yeti 1000X power station equips you with reliable, portable power for camping, tailgating, off-grid events, workshops, and emergency backup. The Yeti comes ready to power a wide range of devices with an array of port options, including a fast-charging 60-watt USB-C power delivery port. 2 AC ports with a powerful 1500-watt AC inverter allows you to run power-hungry devices and appliances with confidence. This inverter allows 3,000-watt surges from power tools, refrigerators, and other medium to large appliances, 2 2.4-amp USB-A ports, an 18-watt USB-C output, 2 6mm 12-volt output ports which pair well with some of our lighting options, a 12-volt car charging port with up to 15 amps of regulated output. Another addition to this Yeti is an MPPT charge controller. Users will see a 30% more efficient charge from our line of solar panels and should check with our website for recommended solar panel pairings based on your intended use. To charge the Yeti from the faceplate, there are 2 options: an 8mm charging port that can accept up to 150 watts of input, or a high power port capable of accepting 600 watts of input. The maximum input a Yeti 1000X can accept is 600 watts. The included 120-watt wall charger will recharge the Yeti in 9 hours, but the Yeti can be charged in as little as 2 hours from solar or our fast-charging Yeti X 600-watt power supply. Our intuitive LCD display allows you to view your input, output, time to empty and full, and current battery level. For more display features, see your Yeti user guide. Under the lid, there are additional input and output options, including a 10-amp 6mm 12-volt output and an 8mm 150-watt input port. These options allow for a more seamless cord management experience. There's also a module bay designed for our Yeti Link system, which optimizes your Yeti for vehicle, home, or battery system integration. Whether you need it on the job site, on the road, or as a home backup when the grid goes down, you can count on the Yeti 1000X to power your electronics, appliances, CPAPs, and more. For more information, visit goalzero.com or one of our retailers.
You want to know what the greatest sound in the world is? They say it's... but it's not. It's this. A Wyze vacuum. A Wyze cordless vacuum with a brushless digital motor. 150 air watts of raw suction power. 4 attachments, an LED display, 6 brush headlights, an easy-to-empty and washable dustbin, a removable battery that provides up to 50 minutes of cleaning time. The most amazing vacuum ever made. Beautifully crafted for the sole purpose of gracing your ears with this. That is the greatest sound in the world. You're cute too, though.
Meet AirPix, the world's smallest and easiest aerial camera ever made. Capture HD photos and videos never before possible. Then share them like magic right from the app. It's like having a personal photographer in your pocket. Take it everywhere and put away the selfie sticks forever. AirPix works with just one touch. It will fly, frame, snap, and return, all by itself. So cool and so easy. If you want more control, just use the in-app joystick. You can also turn on 360 mode to automatically take pictures all around. and it will follow your face for the perfect picture. You can even control it with gestures. In the app, customize your pics and then post them instantly to your favorite social stream. You can even live stream real-time adventures from the air. Wowing your friends and followers has never been this easy, and it's packed with features like Italian design, 12 megapixel photos, HD video, 60-foot range, 6+ minutes of flight time, and smooth air flight stabilization. Welcome to the future of personal photography. Choose the better way to selfie with AirPix, the world's smallest, easiest, and coolest aerial camera ever made.